Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to access over 4000 plus professional grade Elementor templates for free using Templately. We are talking about full stack packs, cloud syncing and the new AI tool that write your copy for you. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly understand what is Templately is. Templately is a cloud-based template library that works with Elementor, giving you access to thousands of ready-made website templates. Even so, pro themes are paid. More than 4000 plus starter templates are free. Instead of building from scratch, you can simply import full website or individual pages with just one click. Also, it having header, footer and blog templates. Before importing the templates, you have to make sure a website with WordPress installed and the base theme, for example Hello Elementor Extra is installed, and the Elementor plugin is installed and activated, and finally the Templately plugin is installed. So let's see step by step how to do these. First step, go to the WordPress dashboard, then go to the appearance, click themes, click add theme. Here you can see by default 2025 is installed. Let's install Hello Elementor. So search for Hello Elementor. Okay, it's appearing here. Click install, then click activate. Okay, now we have install and activate the base theme. So this Hello Elementor and the Templately need Elementor to install. So by default it's asking for installing Elementor, or else you can go to the plugins and click add plugin. Here search for Elementor. This is the Elementor plugin by Elementor. Click install now, then click activate. Okay, again come back to the WordPress dashboard, dismiss this one. Now again you go back to the plugins, go to the install plugins. Now you can see the Elementor is installed. If you have Elementor Pro, better to install that one. With the Elementor Pro you will have more advanced features of editing. Okay, with that let's add the Templately plugin. So click add plugin. Okay, you can see Templately Elementor and Gutenberg template library, 6500 plus free and pro ready templates and close. So click install now and click activate. Okay, you can see on the top there are template packs, template pages, template blocks and the template that you have created and saved. So when you come back to the template pack, you can see altogether there are 300 template packs available, and starter packs are 141 and pro are 160. These starter are the free ones. So let's click the starter. Okay, there are many categories of starter template packs available here. You can see you can search the template packs by categories. Here on the left side you can see the categories and you can filter by any keyword. So let's go for a e-commerce site. So let's click this e-commerce and click filter. Okay, now you can see all the e-commerce sites have been selected. From these theme packs you can select your preferred one. Okay, let's select this one. So when you hover on the mouse, you can see the available packages are appearing like this. So let's click this one. Okay, now you can see the available pages in this theme. 9 and 11 pages available. If you want to add more pages, you can add more pages from other packages as well. So let's see the light demo of this theme. Wow, it's a nice theme. Wow, it's a nice template. You can see go around featured products, then the notice, then bestsellers, new arrivals, like that is appearing. On the bottom you can see the footer. So let's go to the about us page. It's appearing like this. Shop page have 3 items: shop grid, cart, checkout. So let's click the shop grid. You can see it's appearing like this. It also have the option for the sales, and when you go to other pages, sign in page is available, and when you click blog, so nicely blogs are appearing here like 3 column 1. When you go to the contact us page, you can see it's appearing like this. So customers can fill the contact us form and send you messages, and there's a Google map available. So the address, email and photos are displayed here. So it's a very nice template for the basic business or the shop website. So if you're satisfied with this template, you can build a website using this, or else you can select another one. So let's build a website using this. So click this build full website. So it will ask you to sign in. So let's click continue with Google. You can sign it with your Google account. Okay, it's coming back. So let's click build full website again. Okay, here you can change the site title, site tagline and upload logo, but you can do it these things later also. So let's click style website. Again confirm setup. Okay, now it says required dependencies. It's asking for the plugin dependencies. Elementor we have already installed and activated, and other required plugins are listed here. Essential Add-on Pro, Woocommerce, Essential Data Provider, Elementor, Elementor Pro. Okay, now it says import demo content. Import demo content also by default selected. So when you click install and proceed, automatically it will install the required plugins with the demo content. So let's click this install and proceed. So Hello Elementor theme is installed and activated. We have already done. Essential Add-ons Pro is installation failed and Elementor Pro installation failed. You have to upload them separately. Wow, you can see the installed required plugins. 4 out of 6 installed. Elementor Pro and the Add-on Pro is not installed. And install recommended theme, import attachments, those kinds of things are imported. So let's click visit your website. Wow, you can see now all the demo contents have been imported. Those are nicely appearing here. And let's go to the shop. Nature's products page. Wow, you can see the products are appearing here. And other pages, blog page. Here the blog page is appearing like this. So it's all the contents are imported. So let's see how to edit this menu items and the menu order. So again go to the WordPress dashboard and go to the appearance, then click menus. Okay, by default the menu name is Nature's header menu is appearing here. You can see home is the front page and about us, then shop. So in the shop, this nature's product page is having the shop page. This is the shop page. So you can remove other pages and you can rename this as the shop. So you can remove this one, remove this cart and remove this checkout, and you can rename this nature's product page as the shop page. And other pages, sign in page, no need to have this page. So you can remove those things. Okay, now let's save the menu. Okay, let's open the website in a new tab and see. Wow, you can see now the unnecessary menu items have been removed. Once you click this shop, you can see the shop topic items are appearing. So if you want to edit this header and footer, hover on this edit with Elementor. You can see Nature's header v1.2 and Nature's footer. So like that you can edit. So once you click this Nature's header, once you hover on, you can see any contents can be editable. So let's click this one. You can see side logo. So here you can change the logo with your one. So you can upload the logo and you can edit the style with those kind of things. You can edit. Advanced features are available with the Elementor Pro. If you have Elementor Pro, you can upload and you can edit with that. And this part also you can see the preset, those kind of things you can edit here. And this sign in item, you can see button text sign in. In the button text you can change with your preferred name, and if you want to give a link for this, you can give a link here. If you don't want, you can remove that part. It's easily done. So once you edit, you can save the change. If you want to completely delete this header and if you want to add a new header, you can go to here, click this templately and click blocks. Here in the blocks on the left side you can see the header. Click filter. Now you can see new headers are appearing. Some are free, some are pro. So let's click this starter. When you click starter, it will give the free headers only. Okay, you can see there are headers available. So if you want to insert them, you can insert them. So you can just delete this header. You can, once you click this one, it will delete all the header part. Then you can click this one, and if you want to use this one, you can click insert and it will automatically replace with the previous header. Okay, similarly, let's see how to edit this footer. Again, hover on this title. Here you can click this Nature's footer. Click this one. Okay, now you can see the footer part start from here. That is subscribe to our newsletter, this email part. Then go down. This part also included in the footer. So here you can edit with your contents, this contact part. Once you click this one, you can edit the items here. If you want to edit the address, you can edit the address. If you don't want any item, you can just delete it, and the phone number. So all any items you can edit here. Similarly, this information part and my account part and Instagram. So if you want to remove this, you can just remove this item. On the bottom you can see in the copyrighted. So copyright. So here you can see you can edit the year and powered by your website name or your name. I just put my name. So like that you can edit here. So once you're done, you can publish this. As I said earlier, if you want to remove this footer part and if you want to add another footer, you can click this plus icon. So here now you can insert the templately footer, new footer, and you can click this one to delete previous footer. So once you open this, again go to the blocks. Here click footer and filter. Now you can see click this starter. Okay, there are many other footers available, so you can select the preferred footer for you. Okay, let's see. Let's insert this one. So click insert. So it will check the required dependencies, Elementor, Element add-on for Elementor, and Fluent Forms all are installed. So let's click proceed to import. Okay, let's publish and open the website in a new tab. So go down. You can see this is the new footer appearing with the old one. So if you don't want, if you're satisfied with the new footer, you can delete the old one. So you can go back, go here. Okay, now you can click this one, delete the inner section, and this one as well. Okay, now the previous footer part is deleted. Click publish. Now let's refresh this website. Now you can see previous footer is removed, the new footer is appearing. Like that you can change with your preferred footer or headers. Okay, let's see how to add a new page from the Templately templates. For that, go to the WordPress dashboard, go to pages, click add page. Let's add the title as our team. Okay, here you can create your own one, or you can edit with the Elementor, or else you can use the Templately pre-built template. So let's click this Templately and go to the pages and click starter. Okay, here you can select any preferred page. Okay, let's insert this theme. So click this insert and click this proceed to import. Okay, you can see it's nicely importing the theme. So let's click publish, click publish. Okay, now click view page. Wow, you can see the theme is appearing nicely. If you want to add it in the menu item, for that go to the WordPress dashboard, click appearance, then click menus. On the left side pages, click view all. So you can see the page our team is here. Just click add to menu, so it will automatically add it in the menu. Let's move around this one, give like this and click save menu. Okay, now come back to the website, just refresh. You can see our team is appearing here. Once you click open, you can see our team contents are appearing. If you want to edit the products and this part, bestsellers and new URLs, when you start the selling and when you start to put new items, it will automatically appear here. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, click products, click all products. Now you can see all the demo products are appearing here. If you want to replace them with your one, you can just click this edit and you can edit with your products, or else you can add new products. So let's see edit. So it just give the title. So if you can copy paste your description, the products, regular price, sale price, those kind of things you can add here. Similarly, if you want to set up your WooCommerce, just click this one, click home, WooCommerce, and click home. Here you can see you can add your products. Already products, some products are there. You can set up payments, customize your store, collect sale text, and launch your store. So I have another tutorial on how to set up the WooCommerce. You can watch them. So if you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. This is the simple tutorial on how to import this Templately free template and create a stunning website. Thank you.